Whether you're growing tomatoes in your backyard with very little technical background, or you're a professional farmer already thinking in terms of automation and yield optimization, you're arriving at the same conclusion. Manual control doesn't scale. Automation is no longer optional in agriculture, but when you look at existing commercial solutions, many of them are either expensive, locked into a single vendor, dependent on cloud services, or simply not flexible enough for real-world conditions. And that's where open-source solutions became attractive. They're local, transparent, adaptable, and community-driven. One of the strongest open-source platforms in this space is Mycodo. It supports over 100 different sensors and actuators, works entirely locally, scales from a single Raspberry Pi to distributed setups, and has excellent documentation. If you are an engineer, it's an incredibly powerful system. But at the same time, there is a problem. To use Mycodo effectively, a grower has to become something else entirely. They need to decide which sensors to buy, how many are required, and where to place them. They need to understand wiring, power constraints, communication protocols, and limitation. For example, why I2C works fine on a short cable, but fails across a greenhouse. They need to install an operation system, deploy Mycodo, configure inputs and outputs, build automation rules, create dashboards, and troubleshoot issues when something inevitably goes wrong. At that point, the farmer hasn't automated agriculture, they accidentally became an IT administrators. And that barrier has nothing to do with farming. It's not about watering schedules or plant health, it's about translating real-world growing goals into engineering decisions. That's exactly the gap GreenPrint was designed to close. GreenPrint starts from a completely different place. Instead of asking how to build a system, it asks what you want to achieve. You don't configure sensors, you describe your greenhouse. You don't define automation rules, you describe outcomes. For example, I want to grow tomatoes in 2 small greenhouses in North Carolina with limited power and basic ventilation. That is it. From this single description, GreenPrint extracts everything it can automatically. Growing area, crop type, climate assumptions, environmental control needs. If something essential is missing, the system doesn't break. It asks follow-up questions. Not in technical language, but in plain practical terms. Where is it located? What kind of power is available? Is the water pressurized or gravity-fed? Some parameters are mandatory. For example, growing area. But even here, the farmer doesn't need to think in exact technical units. They can say something like 2 greenhouses about 75 square feet each. Thanks to AI, the system understands that this is a total of 150 square feet. No manual conversion, no correction screen, no configuration errors. Once all required information is collected, something important happens. The system now has enough confidence to build engineering decisions on behalf of the farmer. And this is where everything downstream becomes deterministic. GreenPrint generates a complete bill of materials. Not a generic list, but a setup-specific one. Sensors chosen for distance and reliability. Actuators matched to power constraints, region and regulations considering. The farmer doesn't research part numbers. They download the list and place the order. Next comes the assembly instructions, color-coded, step-by-step, designed for people who don't solder or don't want to guess. Plug this cable here, mount this sensor at this height, connect power this way. No improvisation, no trial and error. At the same time, GreenPrint prepares a preconfigured SD card image. Mycodo is already installed, sensors are already defined, automation rules are already in place, dashboards are ready. The farmer inserts the SD card, powers on the system, and automation starts immediately. And this is a key point. We didn't replace Mycodo, we made it usable. Mycodo remains the automation engine. Powerful, flexible, open source, and local. GreenPrint simply removes the technical barrier that prevents most growers from even reaching this point. The architecture scales naturally. It supports different power sources, multiple Raspberry Pis, various sensors type, and future extensions like weather-aware irrigation to avoid wasting water when rain is forecast. Everything stays local. Everything stays transparent. Everything stays open. What you are seeing today is a prototype. Not every generation step is fully automated yet, but the core concept already works. Plain language in, structured system out. So the lesson we learned is simple. Smart agriculture doesn't fail because of lack of technology, it fails because of complexity. GreenPrint removes that complexity without hiding how things work and without locking farmers into closed ecosystems. It lowers the entry barrier, preserves freedom, and lets growers focus on what actually matters: healthy plants and predictable results. That's what GreenPrint is about.